Okay. We'll go for.
Sir, before you
Yeah.
start, I have one question.
Yeah. Tell me, ma'am.
So what happens that you told us to download one from one Java site, remember?
Yeah.
So what happens at that time I didn't write it down. I thought like I was going to get the video and I can. So I didn't. I'm so sorry for that.
Okay. So you didn't download it.
No, sir, because I forget from where I should. That I'm
Okay.
so sorry for that.
Okay. Could you please share your screen, ma?
My screen? Yeah, sure.
Yes.
To be very
There,
honest.
beside that red button, you'll have share screen option. See?
Yeah, maybe I did, right? Can you see the screen?
Not it. Yes.
It's like not formal. I am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you
Yeah.
just go to Google. Carol, you just listen to this.
Okay, go to the Google. Yes.
Carol, are you listening?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now you just go to Google. Type Java 8 download.
Java
8 download.
8.
8 numeric 8.
Yes.
Okay. No?
So this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And from that, this one.
Wait.
Yes. You can. Okay.
Yes. Go to that.
This one, right? Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
This one.
Accept license. Accept license
Okay.
and download it.
This one.
So you are using Mac. Huh?
Yes. I have Windows. If you want, I can like borrow that one.
Okay. No issues.
Is that okay?
Yeah. You know how to set the environment variables in this?
No.
That's what. You need to
Yes, sir.
set the environment. Oh, so many fields you need to fill, ma. You can fill later, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not a problem.
Okay. Carol, what about you? Have you downloaded?
I do have the one in the PC that's like in the Oracle folder with the Java, but I think I have to install.
You have to install, that's it.
Yeah, I
But you have
think, yeah.
downloaded. Correct, right?
Yeah.
Could you please share your screen so that Carol also, this Sharman also will view this? I'll show
Okay,
you
just
how
give
to
me,
set up. Yours is Windows system only, right?
yeah, Windows.
Sir, do you want me to borrow Windows? Windows, we can. Like as a student, we have authorized that we can like we can get.
No need, ma. No need. The
Thank you,
thing
sir.
is,
Yes, sir.
if you want to set up in Mac also, you can set it up. But the problem here is
Mm-hmm.
you need to, what is that? Um, shit. You need to know how to set the environment variables.
Oh, environment variables. Okay.
Yeah, that's what. That is a bit a different procedure in Mac and what you say, Linux, all those things. When it comes to Windows, it is a very easy procedure. Okay, no?
Okay, so environment. So I don't know, sir, that environment, right?
Okay, that is again operating system. You have to do a lot of things, no? Okay.
Like, do you have any link that I can read or I can see that, or I'm just asking for Mac?
Check it out, ma. I will check it out.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Carol, are you sharing it?
Yeah, I'm just looking for my PC configuration like 64 or 32. Because I have both on my system like 64 and 32, so that's why I'm just looking. Like my computer like system settings like on display, right? It comes with properties.
Okay. Just
Sir,
1 more minute time for you.
no, not a problem. Sir, here they are asking for job title. So I will not going to, I will provide job title or a student.
You just provide it as student, ma.
Okay.
Time up, Carol. I have to proceed.
Okay, yeah, you can go ahead. I'll do that. Like I'll help. Like I'll join like with the laptop. I'm on the mobile right now.
Oh, you would have said that. See, first thing is you need to download that particular JDK and you need to install it into your machine. Okay, na?
Yes. Yes.
See, once it has been installed, I'll tell you, you just remember this.
Yes, sir.
It will get installed into C drive.
Hmm?
See,
Yes.
my machine is 64-bit operating system.
Yes, sir.
Windows 10 operating system with a 64-bit.
Yes.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, in this machine, if you go to C drive, you will be having program files as well as program files x86.
Yes.
You can check it out.
Yes.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Next thing is, here, suppose if I download my JDK 64-bit, it will get installed into program files folder.
Hmm.
If I install 32-bit JDK, it will get installed into program files x86.
Okay, so if it is 36, then it will going
32, it will go to x86.
okay, yeah.
64, it will go to program files.
One file only. Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Any doubts so far?
No. And yeah, I
Okay.
have doubts. So if it is Mac, then I
Then I
think
have to check. Okay,
okay,
na?
okay, not a problem. Yes, sir. I will get the my computer like the others from school that I can get.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Na?
Yes, sir.
Next thing. Next thing is what I was saying. Yeah, it will get installed into respective folders.
Yes. Yes.
Now, in my case, I have installed a 64-bit JDK.
Okay.
So it is installed into,
Program files.
okay. Under this, you will be having a folder with the name Java. You can check it out. Got my point, right?
Yes.
Next, within Java, you can see two folders will get created. One is JDK, another one is JRE. Already I have discussed about this.
Yeah. JDK and
Next,
JDKs.
within JDK, you can find bin folder. Carol, are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay. Within that, you'll have bin folder where you can see all your compiler, interpreter, all those things will be available over here.
Yeah.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Just copy the path till here. Got my point, right? Yes or
Yes.
no? Copy the path till JDK bin.
Yeah.
And next thing what you have to do is right click on this PC or my computer, whichever the icon is there, right? Right click on that. In my case, this PC is there. I have right clicked on that.
Hmm?
Got my point, right?
Yes, my PC. Yes.
Okay. This PC. Here you can find advanced system settings.
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay. Advanced system settings.
Hmm.
Here you can find environment variables.
Okay.
Got my
Environment.
point, right?
Yes.
Okay. Click on that. See, here under this environment variables, you can find totally two different variables. One is user variables, another one is system variables.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
User variables in the sense, these are meant for the holding the information, and these variables will give the information only for the current login users. You got my point, right? In my machine, I can have some n number of login users. Okay, na?
Hmm.
For all the users, if you want this information to be shared in the sense, you set it under system variables.
System variables. Okay.
Down. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Suppose if you want the information to be shared only for current login user in the sense, you
Hmm.
just set it under user variable above.
Okay. Okay.
Remember
Okay.
this. This
Okay.
is global for all the users. This is local for only current user.
Current user. So if I don't want to share, then I will going to do this one.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Then under user variables, I'm clicking. See, first thing is you just check whether any variable with the name path is there. Path P capital. If you have complete variable name, complete name itself capital, that is also fine. Otherwise, at least first letter should be capital. Got
Okay.
my point, right?
Yes.
Check any environment variable with the name path is there. Yes, it is there. If it is there, click edit.
Okay.
If it is not there, then directly you can click new
Okay.
and
Path.
give the variable name as path, variable value as that one. Okay, no?
Hmm.
Suppose if it is there, then click on edit. Check here I have specified the path. I will remove it for you. I will add it freshly. Okay, na? Click
Hmm.
new. I will paste the path.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Then click OK, OK, and come out.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. We have set the path for our login user.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
My question now is, why
Yes.
do we need to set the path? See, blindly you are following my steps and you are saying yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
But for what purpose? You should know, right?
Yes. Yes. That's true. Path. Okay.
Yeah, for what purpose I set this path? Kerala. Hello, Kerala is not there, I hope.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I was on mute. Sorry. So, like, the thing is, we need to set this path because we are gonna create a programs with the Java. Like, so we have to run and compile. So which
Mm-hmm.
creates bytecode and class files. So that's why we need to set the path, like give the path.
Okay.
See, basically, Once if you install Java, it will get installed into C drive.
Yes.
Correct, right?
Yes.
Now if you need to execute your Java program, only one option what you have is you can place your Java program into C drive and you can execute it.
Okay. Can you give me an example? I'm so sorry. I don't know why I don't understand. So for the
See,
execution, we need a path, right?
see, now you have installed JDK. It
Hmm.
got installed into C drive, program files, etc. folder. Correct, right?
Yes.
In that bin folder only all your compiler interpreters are there.
Yes.
If you need to execute your program, you need to take the help of that.
Yes.
Correct, right?
Yes.
Now, for taking the help of that, what you will do, you will write the program, you will place that particular file in that location and you will compile it and you will execute it.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
That is a regular way, and we will call it as worst way also.
What?
Okay, na?
Fast?
Worst.
Okay.
That is not a good way.
Okay. 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 Worst way. Okay.
Okay, now
Yes,
when
sir.
it comes to right now, what I have did, I have set the path for that environment variable. Correct, right?
Hmm.
Which means my what you say Java program in any drive. There is no restriction. You need to place it only in C drive. Okay.
Yes.
You can place it in any drive and you can execute your program.
Okay.
So you got a complete freedom to execute your program, sir. Any doubts
Oh,
so far?
no, but why we use then C drive only?
Why we use it in C drive only in the sense by default the installation will happen in C drive.
Yes. Okay, for
So
that.
yes, now instead of making it to available only in C drive, just now whatever the path setting I have did, right?
Yeah.
That if you do, it will get visible for all the drives.
Okay. Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now for showing the proof, I'll go to CMD. See, in C drive, I will type Java C.
Yes.
Is it working? See, check it out. It is working.
Wow.
Okay. Na?
Yeah.
I'll go to D drive. Type Java C. See, it is working.
Yes.
I think only that many drives.
ITT.
E drive also is there. Check it out. See, Java C is working. Got it right?
Wow. Yeah.
Whichever the drive does not matter in your machine. Whichever the location,
Mm-hmm.
this Java will work.
Okay.
That is what the
Yes.
speciality of our path setting. So for whatever path setting we have did, right?
Mm.
This is what the speciality. Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay, fine, happy. Now we'll go for next one.
Yes.
Next one is how to execute the program. All those things we will start up right now.
Okay.
Before stepping into that, we need to know about our Java internal memory.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes. Internal memory. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is meant by internal memory?
Like inside, what is their capacity to, like, if we want to save any file, they are have any space or not, right?
Okay. Any other?
Uh, Internal memory. Yes, for running a query. So if we don't have the space, then I don't know.
Okay, fine, ma. Let me draw it and I'll explain it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just a second. Mm. And by the way, to say, once the class is completed, this video will be shared on Skype chat only for you.
Okay, thank you.
If you want, you can download it from there.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, memory location simple. Oh,
Okay.
you said us yesterday.
See,
Yes.
your Java memory will be divided like this. It will be having thread memories.
Okay.
Okay, na? Threads will be there. Thread memory will be available. Java is based on threads, multi-threading. That's what I
Hmm.
said, right?
Yes.
That's why this is so popular. Okay, now
Yes.
next, it will be having one more memory. This is called as heap memory. This is heap memory,
Okay.
which is meant for holding all the variables and objects what we will create in the program. Right on. In Java memory, we will have three major partitions.
Yes.
Among that, this memory is heap memory.
Hmm.
Completed?
Yes, it's called heap memory. Then.
That is heap memory, which is meant for holding the information about objects and variables
Okay. We will change.
defined in the program.
Okay.
And these two are thread memories,
Yeah.
which is meant for holding the information about threads and functions and its variables defined in the program. Got my point, right?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
See, how many functions are there? In that functions, how many variables are there? How many threads are there? Every information will be stored in these two boxes only. That is what we'll call it as thread memory. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
No.
This is what your Java memory model, heap memory, thread memory, and where what will be saved, everything we have discussed. Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll go for next one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so far we have discussed about theory only. Now we are going to start a practicality.
Okay.
How to execute a simple Java program we are going to see now.
Okay.
As I said, initially I will show you the execution through command prompt. Ma. Okay, na?
Yes.
We will make use of command prompt and execute this particular Java program. Okay.
Yes.
When it comes to companies, we will make use of a tool called as Eclipse. How to use that Eclipse in later stages, I will show it to you.
Okay, Eclipse.
Okay, no?
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, fine. Let me get into the program.
Okay.
Go to any drive. Right now, you have got a freedom to go to any drive and execute your Java program.
Hmm.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
So go to any drive, create one folder. Better to save all your programs into one location.
Okay.
Create one folder. Okay, no?
Hmm.
Okay. See, I have a text document here.
Okay.
Here I'll type my Java program. Okay.
Okay.
Now public class This is a simple program which is meant for displaying the content. Hello, welcome. Okay, na?
Hmm.
Now, first thing is how to save this program. We need to know.
Okay.
What is our program name? Class name?
Hello world.
Hello.
First.
First. Is that class holding a public keyword?
So first is our folder name, holding name.
Is that file, I mean, is that class holding a keyword public?
Yes.
So our file name will be first.java.
Okay. Yeah. That was I thought. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
See, save as. See, in double quote, I'm saving. Okay, na?
Double quote. Okay.
Why?
I don't know.
See, in yeah, mm. In Windows, there is a problem with file saving options. Okay,
Hmm.
only in Windows operating system. It is not with respect to Java. I'm speaking. In Windows, what is the problem is whatever the file you are saving, that file will be turned as text file. Got my point, right?
Yes.
So to avoid that particular issue, here we are providing it in double quote. Okay, na?
Hmm.
Once if you provide it in double quote, automatically what will happen? Tell me, sir. It will take only .java file as extension. It will not include any other files as extension. Is that clear?
Yes.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay.
We can
So
do as a .java too, right?
where?
Hello.
Here. Huh? That's what we have specified first.java, but it will take a default .text file as extra extension. Okay, na? So automatically that will turn Java files to tell me, sir. Understood my point?
Yeah.
Is there any confusion, ma?
No. Right now, no. I just want to concentrate. So I have to always save like this way.
Yes,
Right.
if you save it like this, it will take it technically as Java file. If you
Okay.
won't give double quote, it will sometimes there is a chance of taking up .txt as extra extension.
Okay.
So that will turn as text file instead of Java file.
Okay.
Okay, no?
Yeah.
So be careful with that. Okay, I will
Is there
click on.
any other way to do, like, I know the one is double quote, right? If there any other way we can do, like sometimes.
Otherwise, yes, you have got one more way. That is, you can select. See, you just specify first.java, and
Mhm.
here you can select the option of .java. Is there any option of .java? Should be there.
Okay.
Okay, na? Where is this?
I
Yes. Okay, na? In this way, you can select it. Any doubts so far?
No.
Say, selecting in this way is time consuming. Correct, right?
Yes.
So, what we will specify is directly, we'll specify in double quotes so that it will skip it off. Okay, na? See? Can you open next one? Yes or no?
Yes.
You want to? Yes.
Can I open next one? Yeah. So
Yes,
right
yes,
now
please go ahead. Yeah.
it got saved as Java file, and if you go to this location, you can check it out. It is a Java file. Okay, na? At
Okay.
this particular time, it has been created.
Yes.
Now, how to compile this Java file? We want to see.
Yes.
Go to this location exactly where your Java program is there. Go to that location. Okay, na?
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. After this, Java C. What is that file name? First.java.
Yeah.
Compile. Got my point, right?
Yes.
Next. Then Java. What is our class name?
Class I forget what was that.
Hmm?
I don't know.
Your class name is first, ma.
Oh, first. Yes, yes, first. Yes.
See, here Java C, your file name you have to provide. Okay, na?
Okay.
When it comes to interpretation, you have to provide your class name
Okay.
with Java. See, it generates the output hello welcome. Got my point, right?
Yes, yes, I got you.
Any doubts so far, Carol?
So my programs are stored in the desktop, right? So do I have to specify whole path?
Yes. Instead of that, that's what I'm saying. You create one small folder and store all your files into that, so that it will be very easy to access in this way, how I have did right now.
Okay.
Okay.
So got your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Now see here. One important thing what you have to observe is, once if you compile, Java file will generate a class file also, ma.
Yes.
For one Java file, once if it is compiled successfully,
Hmm?
a new class file will get generated. Okay, now that
Yes.
class file, if you are thinking to view and understand, that is
Hmm?
all up to your risk only. You cannot understand anything. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that clear so far, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next thing is, okay, class file and Java file is generated. Now, next thing is, let me explain the code. How this has generated hello welcome. Okay. Listen this one. First program, if you listen this one very carefully, rest of the programs are dead easy to understand. Okay, Carol.
Yes.
Okay, let me get into this. In this program, you can observe public class, public static void. Got my point, right?
Yes.
Public class, public static void. These four are keywords. Got my point, right?
Mm-hmm.
public, class, public, static, void. These four are keywords. What is meant by keyword?
Keywords are specifier you can use as a like in the your programming as you it's just specifically defined by Java, right?
Can
Okay.
I? Yeah.
Tell me, ma.
I think it's just a like body, like when we write a paragraph, you have to follow few things. We have to specifically do that thing like specific way. I for running the program, I think like that.
Okay, let me tell you.
Yeah.
When it comes to what is this? Keywords. Keywords are reserved words which are defined in the compiler with some specific meaning.
Hmm.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Keywords are reserved words. These are reserved with some specific meaning within the compiler. Is that clear?
Hmm.
Yes.
Next point is all the keywords are in small letters only.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Now, see, public. What is this public?
It can be accessible and in the program throughout, I think public anywhere like
You know about this public, ma?
No. Yes, like I when I no.
Okay. See, public is a keyword, otherwise you can consider it as access specifier, which makes your variable or function to be available globally.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yes, I will.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Next, what is class?
keyword.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the meaning?
File name. Like if you use like our
It
project
helps
name is
compiler to create a class.
I think yeah, like where we will going to put that like so if instead of first if it is like some other software we will name it there. So class actually specified that first that this file will be there. No?
Tell me, ma. Hello.
Yeah, I just yes.
Let me tell you. Okay, na?
Yes. Yes, please.
See, whenever if you define any component as public, it will be visible globally. When it
Yes.
comes to class, class is a keyword which is meant for defining a class. Okay, na?
Hmm.
If you need to create a class, you need to take the help of one particular keyword, that is this class keyword. Okay, na?
Yeah.
It will class keyword will take one parameter. You can see this one. It will
Yeah.
take one parameter for creating a class. Okay, now
Yes.
that particular what you say parameter we will call it as identifier.
Identifier. Yes.
Identifier in the sense user defined value. Okay, now
User
Identi
defined value.
yes, identifier is nothing but user defined value. Instead of first, I can give your name also over here.
Okay.
That is what identifier is all about, user defined value. Is that
Okay.
clear, Carol?
Yes.
Okay. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm defining a class with the name first.
Hmm.
Next, see from here till here my class is there. Within that I have got one function. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now you can see public static void main. What is this public? Again, Same thing. To make this function to be visible globally, we will take the help of public. Got my point, right?
Yes.
To make this particular function visible globally, we'll take the help of public. Okay, na?
Yes.
And what is static? Yes, sir. Any idea?
No.
It's like a variable or function that is shared between all instances of class that is belongs.
I'll tell you one simple scenario, ma. You guess the output. Okay.
Okay.
See, you have got one room, normal room. Okay, na? Within that room, you have got a chair, table, so many things available. If I want to take out one chair from that room, okay, na? How can you take out? You need to have a key for that particular room, right?
Yes.
First, with that key, we will log in. After logging in, we can access whichever the tool you want. Okay, na? Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay.
So
Can I open next one?
specification, right? Like
Sorry?
specification, like exact specified.
No.
Okay.
See, listen to me, ma. Later you can see. Whenever if you specify it as what you say, static, you can call this particular variable or function outside the class without creating an object for the class.
Oh, okay.
See, basically within a class, if you got any function or variable, if you need to access it outside the class, you need to create an object. That is what the rule.
Okay.
If you want to skip that step, you will make that variable or function as static.
Okay.
Is that clear, Carol?
Yes.
Okay. Same way. See, within a room, you have got some table, chairs, whatever it is. If you want to access, we need to have a key.
Key. Yes.
Without key, we cannot access.
No.
Same way, in a class also, if you have anything to access, you need to have object for that class.
Yes.
Suppose if I want to skip that object creation itself, in the sense, you need to have that components to be static.
Yes.
Okay, here I'm making that component. That means this main function static, so that this will be visible, this will be accessible outside the class without an object for this class. Got my point, right? Any doubts so far?
No.
Yes or no? Next, what is void?
Void is like return type for any function or for is the return type.
It's a return type. That's it.
Okay.
Yes or no? I'm asking you.
Yes.
Okay. See, void is giving you the information that this main function won't return any value.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes, no value. Okay.
Okay. That's why we are specifying void over here.
Okay.
And see, if you go for any program, the syntax will be like this only. Public static void main. Otherwise, you can have static public void main. Only these two keywords can be exchanged.
Okay.
Okay, na? Void will be like that only as it is.
Okay.
Any doubts so far, Carol?
No.
And keywords, all the keywords will be in small letters. You can check it out. All the keywords are there in small letters.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. See, void main is there. What is meant by main?
Main is a method of like from the default method which is available in all program. Without main, you can't like
Main is a entrance of your program.
It's okay.
Got my point, right?
Hmm.
See how we will be having a entrance for our house.
So basically,
For this
compiler looks
program,
for main method, right?
yes, compiler will look for main method. From there only our program execution will start.
Oh, okay. Yes,
Got my point, Nama?
your program. Yes, sir.
So
I did.
here we have got a main. It will act like an entrance for your program
Hmm.
to start your program execution.
Okay.
Next thing is, what is this?
Argument
What
with
is
the
that?
data type.
See,
Parameters.
the arguments taken by main method is called as command line arguments. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
The arguments taken by main method is called as command line arguments. Remember this.
Okay, comments. Okay.
Fine, right? Now, this main method will take the inputs in the form of command line arguments during what you say compilation time. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
How to pass the arguments, all those things I'll show you later. We have got an example for this.
Hmm.
Okay, na?
Hmm.
Now my question is, should we need to specify it should be as a string AR braces only?
Sorry, what?
See, this command line arguments are there, right? Should I
Yes.
need to specify in this fashion only?
Yeah, because data types comes first.
So can I specify int AR?
No, this
Something
is
like that?
this is the basic method. You can change in the main parameters, but when you define your own method, you can do whatever you want to.
So main you cannot change.
Okay.
No, I am asking. I'm not saying.
Yes, definitely. You can change main method arguments like
Okay,
or parameters.
fine. Why they have defined like that, all those things, let me tell you. Okay.
Hmm.
String. String means set of characters. Okay, na?
Okay.
String means set of characters. It can take any kind of value. See here. Basically, main method Java people they have designed in such a way that it will take any kind of value. Ma.
Okay.
See, let's say I will define one main function for you by considering you want two integer values.
Hmm.
Carol will say I want 5 integer values. I will say I want 100 integer values.
Hmm.
One more person will come, he will say I want 50 characters. See, based on the person mindset, we cannot change the size. You got my point, right?
Hmm.
Based on person requirement, we cannot set the type also. Got my point, right?
Hmm.
So, what we are doing, string AR braces we are doing, which means this AR, whatever is there, right? That is a identifier, user defined value. In this program, first is an identifier, user defined value. AR is an identifier, user defined value. You can give whatever you want. Got my point, right, Carol?
Yes.
Basically, by seeing so many websites and books and all, they'll think that it should be AR, otherwise ARGS only. There is no rule like that. Okay, na?
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. And a
It-
string.
It's basic, like you need a argument with the array, right? Like with the string argument.
Yes, that's what.
Name doesn't matter.
Name doesn't matter. Okay, na? See, to make it comfortable for all the types of inputs, if you specify integer, only integer values you can pass. Correct, right?
Yes.
As we are specifying string AR braces, this will allow you to enter any type of values without any fixed size, because here we didn't mention any size for this array.
Okay.
Okay, na? Without
Yes.
any fixed size, this will Accept. How many you pass, this will accept. What type you pass, this will accept. That is what the specialty of string AR braces is all about.
Okay.
Any doubt, sir?
No.
Very important thing. Remember this, okay?
Yes.
And next thing is, I will put a comment here. This is what called as comment. What is meant by comment?
Comment, like you can specify for the user that they know that this is for like instructions which
No.
can be compiled.
Yes, which cannot be compiled. Basically, comments are meant for providing the information about your program, which will not be executed only. Got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here I'm showing you what are the other possible ways to write command line arguments, okay?
Mm.
See, these are the three different ways you can write string arguments. One is this way, where braces is after the variable.
Yes.
When it comes to this way, here braces is before the variable. Got my point, right?
Mm.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. When it comes to this one, string space 3 dot space ER, which means here we have got a string variable, and that is also one more prescribed way for creating array of objects.
So 3 dots define as an object of array.
Yes, this is an array of objects. It should be 3 dots only. So these are the three different formats you can pass, sir, in main method. Either you can pass this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one also.
Yeah.
So these are the first two is our array, right? Not the object. And the
Array
third
of
one.
objects, sir. Array of objects.
Okay, so it's all same, right?
Yes, third one is also same only, array of objects only.
Okay.
Got my point, Noma?
Yes.
Remember this. This is very important interview question. In
Um,
how many
yeah.
ways you can pass command line arguments? They'll ask you to show that particular proof. You can show it in this way. Okay.
Okay. How many?
Next. So except system.out.println, any doubt in the program?
No.
Okay.
No.
Now we have one important thing to discuss.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
See. System.out.println.
Yes.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Now are you able to see this?
Yes.
See, system is a class available under Lang package. Okay, na?
Okay.
What is this Lang package? All those things in next class I'll discuss in detail. Okay, na?
Okay.
System is a class available under Lang package. Package is just very similar to our header file in C programming.
Hmm.
Okay, na? Within this system, we have got so many things. Out of that, one particular object is out.
Out. Okay.
Okay, within this system, we have got out.
Out. Yes.
What is this out in the sense? This is an object of print stream, which is available in IO package. Is that clear?
Print stream. Okay.
Out is an object of print stream class.
Yes.
So what system class will do, it will take the help of this out. It will go to print stream class. Okay, na?
Yes.
It will go to print stream class available somewhere.
Hmm.
Within that print stream, we have got so many functions. Out of that, it will pick either print or otherwise println for printing the value.
Hmm.
Got my point, right?
Hmm.
That is what your system.out.println is all about.
Okay.
Whenever if they ask anything about system.out.println in the sense, system is a class of Lang package, out is an object of print stream, println is a function of print stream. You have to say like this.
So, can you tell me again? I'm so sorry. I was just writing. So, first was
Yeah.
system is the.
System is a class of Lang package, ma.
Okay.
Within that system, we have got print stream class object out.
Okay. Object. Yes.
Within this system, we are accessing out.
Okay. Yes.
With that out, we are going to print stream class because it is an object of print stream, right? So control will be transferred to print stream.
Okay. Okay.
Within that print stream, we have got print and println function.
Yes.
You choose whichever you want. That's what the freedom they give.
Okay.
So if you want, you can use system.out.println, otherwise system.out.print.
Print. Okay.
Is that clear, Carol?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what is the difference between print and println in the sense? Println, it will print the content and control will go to new line.
Okay. Println
will print the data and control will be transferred to new line.
Okay.
When it comes to print, it will print the data, control will be there in the same line only.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes.
That is what the difference between print and println.
Yeah.
And this is what your system.out.println. Is that clear?
Yes.
Next, in tomorrow's session, what is this Lang package, what is this IO package, and other details we will be seeing. Okay, na?
Sorry, what we are seeing tomorrow?
This is Lang package, other things. The information we will be learning about this Lang package, other concepts.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay.
So you got to know, right, what is system.out.println?
Yes. And sir, you will just say yes, sir. Go ahead.
So it is taking one parameter and it will be printing the value. That is what the output we have got it in the console.
Yes, console. Yes, yes. Well
You know?
Yes, sir. Sir, you're going. No, sir, you're going to share this video right now.
Yes, immediately once if I disconnect the class, you will have this video in your chat box. You can check it out.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay, ma, fine. See you tomorrow at the same time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, fine.